From an ordinary photo to a New Year's memory, I uploaded our picture, generated fireworks in the background, and transformed it into a personalized laser-ready cutting board engraving with Adam's cutting board generator. It's not complicated, you don't need design skills, just a photo, an idea, and a memory worth creating. You can use this generator too. If you click the link in my description, you get 200 credits. That's like worth $2. And it's great. You earn 50 credits per referral too. So basically, you're generating for free.